blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
After we left St. George, we headed towards one of our newly discovered favorite places, Valley of Fire. It's a beautiful place located in Nevada. When you arrive at the Valley of Fire, you're greeted by beautiful red rock canyons and red rock structures and an amazing campground nestled right in the midst of the red rocks. And one of the awesome sites to check out as while you're there is Atlatl Rock, that has beautiful petroglyphs that they've tried to preserve to keep them nice so that everyone can view them when they visit the park. There's just amazing, breathtaking rock formations located throughout all the park. The different colors, the different shapes and hues of the reds and the whites is just an astonishing place to visit. Just look at that. How would you like that? Just be able to park your RV right in the midst of these beautiful rock formations and wake up to see it every morning. While we were there, we were able to take advantage of the beautiful weather and roast hot dogs over the fire. And then at night, when the lights went out, the stars were just an amazing view that you don't get to see in very many places.
Must be the thing to bring your sports cars to Valley of Fire. Second set we've seen. And ride the loop of Valley of Fire.
Oh, it was nice to be let alone.
They each got to pay. They're little pig.
These rock cabins are meticulously cared for by the Corps of Engineers to keep them structurally sound for visitation by all the visitors. They have an awesome area called the Seven Sisters that is a picnic area that is also area that we've seen several weddings take place right there. The park is also known for its herds of bighorn sheep that you're able to see at various places throughout the park. The camping at Valley of Fire used to be on a first come first served basis, but starting in 23 they'll be taking reservations. So we hope you viewed the views here and hope you get a chance to stop by. If you haven't subscribed, push that subscribe button so you can be notified when we post the next video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for having a Knowles Blessed Adventure.